Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about poly piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hi, my name is Graham Drew, expert plumber with Urban Piping. So, the question I've been asked is what hot water tank brand to buy. Now, there's tons of different brands on the market. We have Giant, A.O. Smith, John Wood, Jet Glass, Rheem, Bradford White. The list goes on and on. Typically, I try to avoid brands like A.O. Smith and John Wood as they've had financial issues throughout the 90s and early 2000s, which caused them all to conglomerate together. Bradford White used to be my tank of choice, but I haven't had a tank last above 8 years in the last decade here, so their quality's gone downhill. I personally right now recommend Rheem hot water tanks. They're great customer service. They offer extended warranty package. They're very, very hassle-free when dealing with a warranty if one actually comes up. And our company typically finds that Rheem hot water tanks last anywhere between 10 to 12 years. Now, if you're looking for a new hot water tank, definitely give Urban Piping a shout. That's who I recommend. But hey, that's just me.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly B. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.